Hello, my name is Dylan Webb. This is my Lab 5 Part 2, the JK flip-flop and toggle mode. We have our 7476 dual JK flip-flop set up with the clock going into input 1 of our chip and then routed to the logic switch. Our pin 2, which is going to be our first set, is going to be connected to switch 1 over here, and then our pin 3, which is our first clear. Oops, sorry, right here. Right. Can't get him. There he is, right there. And that's going to be going to our switch 2, and then we have our first J input, which is going to be connected to VCC, which is going to be right in there. And then we have our VCC, which is going to VCC. And we have our second clock, which is taking the input from Q1, which is at 15. So we have 6 right there, that little wire, boom, right there to 15. Then we have our second set, which is going to be pin 7. So let me focus up. Pin 7 right there, which is going to our switch 1, and then our second clear, which is going to our switch 2. Then we have our second J input, which is also going to 5 volts. Then we have our not Q input, which is just left unbound. And then we have our second Q input, which is going to be going from 11 to the LED it's going to be going to our LED 6. Then we have our second K input, which is also going to be routed to our VCC. Then we are grounded right there, that little wire. And then our Q naught is left unbound again, and then our Q is going to be taking in the 15. Alright, so if we run through this, then we will have circuits on, both switches are high, so we flip the clock. We get a 1 for our first clock pulse, we got a 0 for our initial 0 clock pulse. Flip it again, we get a 1 0, so that would be a 2. Flip it again, and we get a 1 1, should be 3, and then it resets after the next clock pulse. That is Lab 5 Part 2. Thank you very much.